We're diving deep into the world of no-code AI tools today. These tools are changing the game, making powerful AI accessible to everyone, even if you don't know how to code. We're breaking down the top 10 no-code AI tools of 2024, exploring their features, strengths, and how they can help you unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a creative professional, or just starting out, these tools can help you harness the power of AI to streamline your workflow, automate tasks, and bring your ideas to life. So let's jump right in. First up, we have BuildFire, a platform that's all about empowering you to build fully functional apps without needing to be a coding wizard. We're talking about creating professional-grade apps, complete with custom features and integrations, all through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. BuildFire's AI capabilities include chatbots, personalized user experiences, and AI-powered analytics. The AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on designing a great user experience and bringing your app idea to life. BuildFire's drag-and-drop interface is incredibly user-friendly. You can easily add different elements to your app, customize the look and feel, and even integrate with other tools you already use. It's like having a team of developers at your fingertips, but without the hefty price tag. BuildFire doesn't skimp on the power and flexibility that professional developers need. Whether you're looking to build an app for your business, a community, or just for fun, BuildFire provides a powerful and accessible platform to make it happen. And with their AI features constantly evolving, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Next we have Bubble, a platform that takes the visual approach to app development to a whole new level. Bubble's drag-and-drop interface is so intuitive it almost feels like you're designing an app with building blocks. Bubble is capable of building some seriously powerful and complex applications. Bubble's real strength lies in its ability to create web applications, internal tools, marketplaces, and more. Imagine being able to build a customer support chatbot directly into your web app, or creating a personalized dashboard that pulls data from various sources using AI. Bubble makes all of this possible, and more, without you ever having to write a single line of code. Bubble's platform is built to handle high traffic and large amounts of data so your app can grow with your business. Overall, Bubble is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to build sophisticated web applications without needing to be a coding expert. And with their growing library of AI integrations, Bubble is only going to become more powerful and versatile in the years to come. Alright, let's talk about Adalo, a platform that's all about making mobile app development as easy and accessible as possible. Their drag-and-drop interface is so intuitive it almost feels like you're playing a game rather than building a real app. Adalo is packed with powerful features, including some really impressive AI capabilities. We're talking about features like AI-powered chatbots, personalized content recommendations, and AI-driven image recognition. Adalo provides a library of pre-designed templates and components that you can customize to fit your brand. Adalo also offers powerful database integrations, allowing you to connect your app to external data sources and create dynamic, data-driven experiences. Whether you're looking to build an e-commerce app, a social networking platform, or a productivity tool, Adalo provides the tools and the flexibility to make it happen, all without writing a single line of code. And with their AI features constantly evolving, Adalo is definitely a platform to watch in the exciting world of no-code development. It's really impressive how they've made such a powerful technology so accessible. Thunkable, building cross-platform apps with AI. Thunkable lets you build your app once and deploy it on both iOS and Android. It offers robust features, including AI tools like natural language processing and image recognition, all without writing a single line of code. Thunkable democratizes AI, making it accessible for everyone. They offer resources, tutorials, and a supportive community. Integrate your app with databases and APIs easily. Pull in real-time data and create personalized experiences. Thunkable is a powerful platform for any app idea. AppDriver, unleashing the power of visual programming and AI. AppDriver empowers you to build sophisticated apps using a visual approach. Connect blocks and components to build your app. Integrated AI capabilities open new possibilities for no-code developers. Incorporate image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Easily connect your app to various data sources and display data dynamically. Collaborate in real time, test on different devices, and publish with a few clicks. It's like piecing together a puzzle, creating a dynamic and interactive application. VoiceFlow, crafting conversational AI experiences with ease. VoiceFlow is changing the game when it comes to building voice and chat assistants. VoiceFlow's intuitive visual interface makes designing and building complex conversational flows incredibly easy. Imagine mapping out entire conversations, complete with branching logic, user inputs, and dynamic responses, all without writing a single line of code. VoiceFlow offers powerful testing and analytics tools, so you can see how users are interacting with your assistant and continuously optimize the conversational flow. VoiceFlow's focus on collaboration makes it easy to work together, share prototypes, and get feedback from stakeholders. With their growing library of integrations, you can connect your VoiceFlow assistant to popular messaging platforms, CRM systems, and even marketing automation tools. Whether you're building a customer support assistant, an interactive game, or a personalized onboarding experience, VoiceFlow provides the tools and the flexibility to make it happen. It's really impressive how they've made such a powerful technology so accessible. Glide, turning spreadsheets into powerful apps with AI. Glide lets you transform your spreadsheets into fully functional mobile apps complete with custom branding, user authentication, and even offline functionality. Glide has integrated AI capabilities into its platform, allowing you to do some really cool things with your data. Imagine creating an app that automatically categorizes expenses or uses sentiment analysis to gauge customer feedback. Glide's AI features take the data you already have and make it work harder for you, unlocking insights and automating tasks. Glide's focus on speed and simplicity allows you to go from idea to working app in minutes. Whether you're managing projects, tracking inventory, or building a directory, Glide provides a simple yet powerful way to turn your spreadsheets into beautiful and functional apps. It's really quite remarkable what they've been able to achieve. Parabola, automating workflows and data with AI. Parabola automates your workflows and data processing tasks, so you can focus on what really matters. Build visual workflows that connect different apps and services, automating tasks that require hours of manual effort. Integrated AI adds intelligence to your workflows. Automate tasks like sentiment analysis, image recognition, or predictive modeling without writing a single line of code. Parabola's AI features free up your time for strategic initiatives, offers pre-built connectors for popular apps and services, and tools to build custom integrations if needed. Easily see data flow, identify bottlenecks, and optimize workflows for maximum efficiency. It's like having a team of automation experts at your fingertips. Tired of repetitive tasks? Parabola saves the day. Zapier, supercharging your productivity with AI-powered automation. Zapier allows you to connect thousands of different apps together, automating tasks and workflows without writing a single line of code. The beauty of Zapier lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a developer to understand how to use it. Zapier has integrated AI into their platform, making it even more powerful and versatile. Imagine automating tasks like sentiment analysis, language translation, or even image recognition, all within your existing Zaps. Zapier's AI features allow you to automate even more complex tasks, freeing up your time for more creative and strategic work. Zapier connects to pretty much every popular app out there, and they're constantly adding new ones. This means you can automate pretty much any task or workflow you can imagine, no matter what apps you use. It's like having a personal assistant who works tirelessly in the background, making sure your tasks get done, even while you sleep. Airtable, leveling up your data management with AI. Airtable combines the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, allowing you to organize your information, collaborate with your team, and build powerful applications. Airtable has integrated AI capabilities into their platform, making it easier than ever to analyze your data, extract insights, and automate tasks. Imagine creating a database that automatically categorizes and tags your data, or an app that uses predictive modeling to forecast future trends. Airtable's AI features take your data from static to dynamic, unlocking insights and automating tasks. Airtable's flexibility allows you to use it for pretty much anything, from managing projects and tracking inventory to building CRM systems, and even creating interactive games. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a large organization, Airtable provides a flexible and powerful platform to manage your data, collaborate with your team, and build custom applications. It's really impressive how they've managed to make something as powerful as a database so accessible and user-friendly. So, there you have it, the top 10 no-code AI tools of 2024. We've covered a lot of ground today, from app builders and automation platforms to conversational AI and data management tools. Thanks for watching our guide on the top no-code AI tools of 2024. It's clear that AI is no longer just for the tech elite. With these tools, anyone can harness the power of AI to automate their work, build amazing applications, and unlock new levels of productivity and creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try.